Bitcoin is breaking out right at this point of time. So what does this mean and where can Bitcoin head over to? We will find out that in this video. So you definitely don't want to miss this particular video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and this is the second video that we are making today, so give us a thumbs up with all the videos that we are making. This actually motivates us. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family there. If you want to discuss with me, my Telegram ID is given in the description below as well. So let's jump on to the video today quickly. So as we are making this video, the complete crypto market is in green. So there's a lot of greenery out there. As we can see, the complete market cap is up by 6%. BTC dominance is at around the same level of 40% or so. But the key important factor that I want to highlight in this video is that Bitcoin is breaking out of this pennant that it was forming right from 21st of May. Right at this point of time when we are making this video, this 4-hourly candle has actually broken above it, and it's almost 26 minutes to go for this candle to close, and by the looks of it, it seems that we will be closing this candle above the downward falling trend line, which is a great thing to happen. Now, why do I feel that this is a great chart pattern? I tweeted about it as well, as you can see right here. So if you are not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us on Twitter as well, because that is where we post all the real-time updates from the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, we discussed it on our Telegram channel, so make sure you join our Telegram channel as well. So this is a very important candle that we are having, and this is perhaps the defining candle for Bitcoin's move that will be followed in the next week or so. Why do I feel that this is an important candle and why I like this structure precisely is basically, as you can see, we first treated this level of 36,862 as a resistance. Then we broke above it. Again, we came down and tested it, actually went past it. Then again, we went above it and treated this as a support. In the last 4-hourly candle, we have treated this as a support, which is a very healthy pattern that is getting played out on the Bitcoin chart. Where this can lead us, for that we'll just need to measure our targets. Possibly this complete pennant is a very bearish pattern, so generally these kind of pennants actually break down, but you never know with Bitcoin, right? If it breaks out, then we should have our targets in place and we should have our long orders in place as well. So quickly measuring the target of this, so we'll take the height of the triangle, and let's say if it is breaking out from this point of time, our target is approximately $50,400. Yes guys, we will be passing the $50,000 mark if Bitcoin is to break out of this pattern, and that is the target on the upside. If we are to break to the downside, then probably our target is at around the mark of $22,400 as well, which I think the probability is 50-50, to be very honest with you. Why do I say so? For that, we will be going to the volume chart here, right here. As you can see, the volume has been pretty constant over the period of time. There has not been much increase in the volume as such. So the largest volume candle was on the 19th of May when we got this huge dump, but ever since then we had a couple of candles wherein the volume was higher, but then again the volume has been more or less constant. What we need to see to confirm this move is a big rise in the volume candle as well. So do comment below and let me know, what do you feel about this move? Whether do you feel Bitcoin can close this week on a high and reach the levels of $50,000 or not? That is very important. One other important thing that I would like to highlight here is the EMA ribbon. So we have on the 4-hourly, we have actually broken above the EMA ribbon, and this has happened for the first time. The next candle needs to treat this EMA ribbon as a support and then move forward. However, on the daily time frame, we are still struggling. We are still below the EMA ribbon, but on the 4-hourly, we have actually been able to cross above the EMA for the first time since 12th of May. We have been able to cross above it. There were a couple of candles right here on 26th of May, but this did not sustain. As we all know, it is important for us to actually take into consideration this candle and see whether we are able to close above this EMA ribbon. So that's pretty much it about this short video. Comment below and let me know what do you feel, whether Bitcoin should be making to $50,000 in this week, or do you see Bitcoin going down to $20,000 or $22,000? If you think we are going to $50,000, leave a thumbs up, like the video. Also, if you feel that we are going down, then you can just leave a comment saying down. So looking forward to your comments, and I will be always there replying to your questions. You can get in touch with me on our Telegram family. The link is there in the description below. Also, if you want to discuss with me one-on-one, that is also available. My Telegram link is also there in the description. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and family. Let them get aware of this breakout in the Bitcoin price that is happening right now, and also follow us on Twitter, because that is where most of the activities on the cryptocurrencies are updated on a real-time basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay happy, stay blessed, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.